Hi friends, welcome to SuperSmartOffice. In video 3, we have learned how to create employees. In this video, we will see how to create clients one by one. As I mentioned in last video, I have created few departments, designations and employees, which we will need in future training sections. This is the list of all departments. Let's see designations. This is the list of all designations. Let's open client list. These are all employees created by us. Coming back to creating clients, go to menu, manage, select CA clients. There are two ways to create new clients. One way is to add client one by one using this add client option. Other way is to bulk upload multiple clients using this bulk upload option. Click on add client button to add client one at a time. Enter client details in the screen. Enter business name. Select form of business. This selection is important as it will enable us to provide default services to this client. I am selecting private limited company. Leave client group blank. I will explain this in future videos. Enter username. It will be used for mobile application. Enter registration number. Select date of incorporation. Enter password. Re-enter the password. This will be used for mobile application. Enter the client's details. Address. Once all data is filled, click on save to save the details. Once you save these details, 4 new tabs will appear on screen. Saving client might take a while as it does some work at server side based on business form we have selected. Please note, since we have selected form of business as private limited company, we can see tabs income tax, goods and service tax and accounts and audit tab along with employee mapping tab where we will configure who all employees will work and have access to clients data. Before that, let's scroll down. You can see new section to add client contacts. Click on add contact button, start filling the details. Please note in department drop-down, we see only department which are selected as is client department in department master at the time of department creation. Similarly, we see only designations which are enabled for clients. Once done, click on save to save the data. This will add new contact and you can see all the contacts in the contact list of the client. As you can see, we have added one contact. Now let's set up employee mapping. Here you can see two sections. In this first section, select employee to be mapped and click on the arrow to add it in the assign tab. In the second section, select article to be mapped and click on the arrow to add it in the assign employees. Next step is to fill services detail. In other three tabs, let's go to income tax. Select income tax applicable for this client as yes or no. When you select yes, it might ask you another details like PAN number, IT login password. If you provide this service to this client, then all this information will be required. This information will be accessible to only employees who are working on this client's task. Select tax audit applicable yes or no. Select audit under section 92E applicable yes or no. Select TDS applicable as yes or no. When we select yes, we need to furnish further details such as TAN number. Enter Traces user ID. This we refer to login to Traces website. Enter Traces password. Click on Save to save these details. Once saved, scroll down the page. Here you can see list of services populated in the screen. Here we see all services list populated automatically based on the settings done above. Please note, by default all services are selected. If your organization does not provide any of these services, you can unselect it. Let's assume your organization does not provide advanced tax payment service. Here, untick this checkbox in this service done by us column. Next step is to define reviewer, approver, and assigner to this client. Reviewer is one who reviews the task once it is completed. Approver is one who is approving the task once it is completed and reviewed. And assigner is the one who is responsible to assign the task and manage the selected service for this client. We can do this in two ways. One, we can do assignment at one go for all services. And second, one services at a time. First, let's do it for all services. Here in this service section, select reviewer, select approver, select assigner. Now you can see in this list, these details got updated for all services. But if you want to update for only one of the services, select the edit. Select the reviewer, approver, and assigner. Enter the default charges. These are the charges which will be applicable at the time of billing to the client. Click on Save. Now observe, selected details got updated for this service. This is how we can define only one service at a time. In similar ways, we can define the services for other tabs too, such as Goods and Service Tax and Accounts and Audit tab. In next video, we will see how to bulk upload clients, that is creating multiple clients at a time. Thank you for listening and have a great day.